To factory reset Windows 10, navigate to the Start menu and select Settings. Scroll down and select Windows Update. On the left side, click Recovery. On the top of this page, we'll see the option Reset this PC. Click Get Started. You'll have the option to either reset Windows and keep your personal files, or to reset and wipe the operating system completely. Make sure to back up all of your data to an external drive, or to a cloud solution if selecting option 2. For this video, we'll do option 1 and keep our files. On the next page, Windows will confirm the reset action it will take. Click Reset when ready, and the process will take over. After restarting and working in the background for a while, Windows 10 will finish reinstalling and bring you to your desktop. Scrolling to a Documents folder will confirm your files have been saved, as we chose to keep those.